Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be making a platform on Scratch. I know I've made multiple videos on this, but this video is going to be covering all the elements. So let's see what we're going to make today. So as you can see, here is like a normal platform, and there's smooth movement, as you can see, and there's some hard level. So I hope you enjoyed that little walkthrough, but anyways, let's get started. So the first thing that I want you guys to make is a few levels. Now what we're going to do is first make our levels and then start coding. So it's mainly like the art, and then we're going to start coding. So as you can see, I already have like about 11 levels that I pre-created before making this video. And I also have spikes. So now let's start coding. So let's go ahead into the player sprite, and then let's go into the my block section. Let's create a custom block called code. And don't click on any of the options, and then we're going to say one click wherever, and we're going to say scrolling code right here. So in this code, we're just going to put all the code that we want to do. So we're going to create two variables. One is going to be called xval, then one is going to be called y. So we're going to say change yval by -1. So this is basically going to tell the player to keep moving down, and we're going to modify this code later. And after that, we're going to get two if statements, as you can see here. And we're going to head into the sensing section and then get a key right arrow pressed. And then we're going to duplicate it and then modify it and then say left arrow pressed. And then we're going to say change xval. So for the right arrow, we're going to say change xval by 1. And if the left arrow key is pressed, it's going to be the opposite, which is pretty much -1, right? So after we do that, we're just going to set xval. So we're going to do some quick movement scripts here. So we're going to get the xval. We're going to go ahead into the operation section and get a xval times 0.9. We get gradual movement. So we don't want it to move at a same steady speed. So we want it to slowly increase like a car. And then after that, we're going to go into the change x place, and then we're going to grab that block and then duplicate this and then do this. So as you can see, so now if we make the player show, let's try moving. As you can see, I can move both sides. Let me remove this music for you guys. So as you can see, I can move left and right, and the movement is very gradual, as you can see in this screen. Now we're going to do the Y movement, so the collision scripts and the Y movement scripts. So we're going to get 4 of these, right? So we're going to say if touching, whatever this is called, levels. I named this sprite levels where I have all of my levels. So I'm going to say if and go into the touching section and then get a level. So if touching level is, we're going to change y by 1. Now I have no idea why we do this code. It's just the standard code for a platformer, and then we're going to do the opposite of it. So as you can see, I have 4 of these, and once you do that, we're going to head into the statement, or we can just duplicate this, and then we're going to say change y by -4, because we changed it by 4, we want to steady it and make it around the same. And now we're going to go into the motion section and then get a change x by. And we're going to say change x by xval, and go into the operators section and get a times block, and then xval times. So this is like the standard script. Now I'm going to do a bit of walkthrough. So now we just did the collision scripts. As you can see here are my collision scripts. Now for the collision, we're going to have the xval and yval interact together so that it can be pushed away. So we're just making the character being pushed away from the platform. So now after this, what we're going to do is we're going to head into the motion section, and we're going to say change y by yval, right? So we're just gonna make the same thing that we did for the x section, except we're changing y by yval. And then we're gonna go into the if state, and we're gonna say if touching levels, and get a times block and then a minus block. And then you're gonna put the minus block and then the times block inside of it. And then we're gonna say yval minus yval times 2, or it's more like yval times 2, and then we're gonna subtract yval from that. And then after that, yval to 0. So we want it to come down all the way here, and then we're going to set the yval to 0 so it doesn't move down anymore. So as you can see, if I put it around here, let's just make it go here, and then we're just going to, so now we can actually move around, but we can't really jump yet. So basically what this code does is it actually makes the code go down, like, so it makes it change Y until it hits the platform, and then all after that it just stops it from moving again. So now we're gonna say if we're gonna get in if statement, we're gonna get a key up arrow pressed. So when we're pressing on the up arrow, and then we're gonna say set Y val to 15. So let's make it go here, press on the Y, and then as you can see, I can jump. And what's kind of crazy is, let me quickly remove this part of the code, jumping, which is really weird. So we only want it to jump and then come down. Like, we don't want it to be doing unlimited jumping, because that's kind of weird. And so then we're going to get an AND statement, and then we're going to say if key up arrow pressed and touching level. And put this here, so we're going to combine it like that, right here. So we're going to get the change Y by -1, then we're going to change it by 1. So just to make it go down 1, and then go up 1. So as you can see, why we did that was because we needed it to like touch the level, because before it was like a bit up like there and it looked kind of weird. So that's why I made it change Y by -1 and then change it back. So that was the purpose of that. Now I can jump, but when I press on the up arrow key, it doesn't like keep spamming up. So that's the good part. So as you can see, here is like a super basic platforming engine that we made. Like, there's so much more things I can add into this platformer, but this is like the basic platforming engine. It's like, as you can see, the code isn't that complicated when you actually pay attention. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that sub button, and then check out my other videos, and see you guys in the next video. My next video is going to be really cool because it's going to be a Minecraft video.